Welcome to Math with Miss Howe, and today we're doing pages 270 to page 271. Now, most of these pages are just review, so please remember, if you don't remember what we learned so far, go back in your book and look again, because all the answers are right here. So yes, we are working on these pages on today. You see that? Wonderful. Now let's go over them together. If you are watching your Abeka video, this is lesson 135. Where did I find that, boys and girls? You're right at the bottom of the page, right here. It tells me lesson 135. Wonderful. Now, on number 1, page 240, oh man, I think that you guys should go through this real quick because we are just doing some mirror arithmetic in which we are just adding our mirror numbers. So 4 plus 8 would be the same as 8 plus 4. So you go ahead and do that. I'm going to give you 1 minute to do that because you are so super smart. You're just not even going to need a whole 3 minutes on that section at all. You're just super smart. Wonderful, boys and girls. Go ahead. You're almost done. Oh, don't mix up yourself now. Remember, 12 plus 4 and 4 plus 12 are exactly the same. That's right. Good job, boys and girls. Let's go to number 2. And in number 2, we are doing multiplication. 10 multiplied by 5 and 5 multiplied by 10 is what? 50. Good job, boys and girls. You go ahead and finish the last 3 as I wait for you. Wonderful. Now, write the number of bills and coins needed to make the amount. Use the fewest pieces of money. Now, we have $6.59. How many $5 bills do we need? Did you say 1? Good job. How many dollar bills do we need? That's right, because 5 plus 1 is? That's correct. 5 plus 1 is 6. So we only need 1 $5 bill, 1 $1 bill. And do we need any quarters? Yes, we do. What is the value of a quarter? The value of a quarter is 25 cents. And 25 plus 25 gives us, that's correct, 50. So we need 2 quarters. Are we going to be using any dimes today for this? That's correct. We're not, because a dime is 10 cents. And if we use a dime, we'll have way too much money, right? Yes, we'll have too much money for this part. Do we need any pennies? Oh, dear, Miss Howe skipped one. Do we need any nickels? I can't leave out those nickels. That's right. A nickel is 5 cents, and we need 1 nickel. So now we have 55 cents. And how many cents did we need? 59. So how many pennies are we going to have? 4. That is correct, because each penny is worth 1 cent. So now, boys and girls, we have 1 $5 bill, we have 1 dollar bill, we have 2 quarters, we have no dimes, we have 1 nickel, and 4 pennies for a grand total of $6.59. Give yourself a hand. Awesome job, boys and girls. Number 4. We're going to circle the bills and coins needed for each amount. So the first amount we need is $3.58. So please go ahead and circle the amount of bills and coins that you will need. Now, if you circled $3 bills, 2 quarters, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies, go ahead and give yourself a high five, because that is correct. Good job. Now, the second number we're asked to do is $7.91. Okay, did you find a $5 bill? Did you circle it? And did you circle 2 $1 bills? You're on the right track. Now, how many coins do we need? Yes, you are correct. We're going to need 3 quarters. We're going to need 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 1 penny for the grand total of $7.91. Woohoo! You are on a roll. Let's go to number 5. And in number 5, we're talking about greater than, less than, or equal to. Remember, the alligator always likes to eat the number that is the biggest. But if the numbers are the same, that means they're equal to, he don't know what he wants to eat. He's confused. He's thinking, do I want Chick-fil-A or do I want Panda Express? They're both so good. So they're equal. Now we have 800 plus 6, which gives us a total of 806. So is 806 greater than or less than 860? Don't get your numbers mixed up now. Look where that 6 is. Is it in the tens place or in the ones place? Which number is greater? If you said 860 is greater, and if your alligator is eating that 860, you just found the right answer. You are doing great. Give yourself a high five and move on to the next one. Good job, class. Now let's go to the very last one in number 5. It says 100 plus 10 plus 1. What number is that? Oh, that's 3 numbers, and we've got to add all 3. 100 plus 10 plus 1. That sounds like 111 to me. What does it sound like to you? Good job. So 111, is that greater than, equal to, or less than 111? Did you say equal to? Yes, equal to 111, and 111 is the same. Oh, boys and girls, you are so smart. Give yourself a high five and go to page 271. So you're going to need your ruler for page 271. Do you have that out, boys and girls? I'll give you a moment. Has anyone ever seen a real live alligator? I know if you went on our field trip with us, we did see quite a few, and they did look a little scary. Those sharp teeth of theirs, oh man, I do not want to be friends with an alligator, but some of you may want to. If you do, that's okay. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to measure how long is this alligator. So boys and girls, we're looking at, can you tell me, is that inches or feet? If you said feet, you were correct. We're measuring by feet. And let's see how long from the tail all the way to the snouty nose is this alligator. Do you have an answer? Did you say 6 feet? My, oh my, what a big alligator. That is correct. This alligator is 6 feet long. Now what we're going to do is each feet of this alligator equals 2. So to get the real estimate of how big this alligator is, we're going to do 6 times 2. And how much is that, boys and girls? That's correct. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So our answer is going to be 12 on that combination. Number 2, on page 270, they asked us to write the product for each of these multiplication answers. Now remember, the product in a multiplication is the answer for the multiplication. So the first one is 12, multiplied by 2. What is the product of 12 multiplied by 2? 24. You are right, boys and girls. 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. Now let's switch it around because we're doing the mirror math. And that is going to be 2 multiplied by 12. And that's also going to be 24 because 12 times 2 equals 24. And 24 times 2 equals, that's right, 24. You are doing fabulous. That's right. We are on a roll. I'll give you a minute. Let you go ahead and finish section number 2. Number 3. Number 3 tells us to write the differences. Now remember, boys and girls, when we're writing the differences, that means we are subtracting. And in this case, we're going to be borrowing from our neighbors. And if you remember in our Abeka videos and in our class videos, we always start to the... That's right. We always start to the right. We do not start on the left. We read from left to right, but we do math from right to left. Oh, wow, you guys are on a roll on today. So go ahead and do section number 3, where we are borrowing to find out the differences. Look at you working so hard. I am so proud of you, being diligent stewards, working very hard for your education. Number 4. In number 4, we are writing the sums. What is the sum? The sum is the answer to an addition problem. And in addition, we don't borrow. What we do is we carry those leftovers along. So go ahead and do those 2 questions in number 4. 3 questions. Wonderful job, boys and girls. Now we're moving all the way over to number 5. And in number 5, we are writing, me oh my, the quotients. Yes, that is the answer to the division question. We are writing the quotient. And now you remember, the division is the opposite of the multiplication. So if 5 times 10 is 50, that means 10 can go into 50 5 times. So remember, it's important to know those math facts. So I'll give you a few moments as you answer those questions in number 5. Wonderful. Number 6. Number 6, we are talking about writing the temperature. Now, number 6 has 2 questions. The first thing they want you to do is find the temperature for each of these thermometers. And when you do that, then they want you to circle the temperature that is closest to the normal temperature for your body. Awesome job, boys and girls. I am so proud of the hard work that you have put in today to make this an awesome day. Now, I have a question for you. Actually, I have a challenge for you. Draw me a thermometer with the actual body temperature and send it to Miss Howe. She's waiting to see who knows what is your normal body temperature. With everything going on today, knowing what your normal body temperature is very important and vital to each and every one of us. So go ahead and send that to me. I'm looking forward to it. You can go ahead and post it in the link below. Bye.